Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue with the installation process to ensure your engine stays cool and your heater blows warm air. Step 4. Install the new heater bypass tube. With the old tube out, you're ready to install the new one. Apply anti-seize compound. Use a small amount of anti-seize compound on the tube fittings to make future removal easier. Attach the new tube. Slide the new heater bypass tube onto the fittings. Make sure it sits firmly in place. Secure with hose clamps. Tighten the hose clamps to ensure the tube is securely fitted. Step 5. Refill the coolant. After installing the new heater bypass tube, you need to refill the coolant. Mix and pour coolant. Use a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water. Pour it into the radiator until it's full. Start the engine. Run the engine to circulate the coolant. Keep the radiator cap off initially to let air bubbles escape. Top off coolant once the engine warms up. Check and add more coolant if necessary. Then securely replace the radiator cap. Step 6. Test the system. Finally, you need to test the system to ensure everything is working correctly. Check for leaks. Look around the new bypass tube and fittings for any signs of leaks. Monitor temperature gauge. Make sure the temperature gauge reads within the normal range while the engine is running. Test the heater and turn on the car heater to verify it's blowing warm air, indicating proper coolant flow. By following these steps, you can replace your car's heater bypass tube and ensure your cooling and heating system is functioning well. This DIY approach not only saves you money but also gives you the confidence to tackle more car maintenance tasks in the future. Post-replacement tips. Once you've installed the new heater bypass tube, a few post-replacement checks and tasks will help ensure everything runs smoothly. These steps are crucial for preventing future issues and making sure your car is in top shape. Checking for leaks. After replacing the heater bypass tube, checking for leaks is a must. Leaks can lead to low coolant levels and engine overheating, causing more problems down the line. Here's how you can spot and address leaks. Visual inspection. Look around the new heater bypass tube and connections. Check for any wet spots or drips. A flashlight can help you see better in tight spaces. Engine on. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Keep an eye on the area around the new tube. Sometimes leaks only appear when the system is under pressure. Coolant levels. Monitor the coolant levels in the reservoir and radiator. If they drop quickly, it's a sign that there might be a leak somewhere in the system. If you find a leak, don't panic. Often, it's just a loose hose clamp or a fitting that needs tightening. Double check that everything is secured properly and retest. Monitoring engine temperature. Keeping an eye on your engine's temperature after replacing the heater bypass tube can help catch any issues early. Here's what you should do. Watch the gauge. Pay close attention to the temperature gauge on your dashboard. It should stay in the normal range. If it creeps into the danger zone, turn off the engine immediately to prevent damage. Listen and feel. When driving, listen for unusual noises from the engine area and feel for any signs of overheating, such as a hotter than usual hood. Overheating can indicate that something is still wrong with the cooling system. Consistent checks. For the first few days after the replacement, check the coolant levels before driving. It's a good habit to form, especially after any work on the cooling system. By taking these post-replacement steps seriously, you can ensure that your new heater bypass tube is functioning correctly and that your engine stays cool, reliable, and efficient. Proper monitoring and immediate action can save you from future headaches and costly repairs. Preventative maintenance for heater bypass tubes. Taking care of your car's heater bypass tube can save you from future headaches. Regular upkeep ensures your car runs smoothly and efficiently. Here's how you can maintain the heater bypass tube and prevent issues down the line. Regular inspections. Frequent checks go a long way in spotting any early signs of trouble. Regular inspections can help catch potential problems before they escalate. Why are inspections necessary? Think of it like going to the doctor for a routine checkup. You may feel fine, but a professional might spot something you've missed. The same logic applies to your car. Visual checks. Look under the hood and check the condition of the heater bypass tube. Pay attention to any cracks, bulges, or leaks. Feel the tube. Gently press the tube to check for softness or brittleness. A healthy tube should feel firm and not easily squished. Consistency matters. Make these inspections a regular part of your car maintenance routine. Aim to check the bypass tube at least once a month. By keeping a close eye on the condition of the heater bypass tube, you can address small issues before they turn into major problems. Coolant system maintenance. Taking care of the entire coolant system is just as important. A well-maintained coolant system can extend the lifespan of your heater bypass tube and keep your engine running efficiently. The following steps will help you maintain your car's coolant system. Regularly replace coolant. Old coolant can become acidic and corrosive, which can damage the heater bypass tube. Follow your car manufacturer's recommendations for how often to change the coolant. Check coolant levels. Make sure the coolant is always at the recommended level. Low coolant can cause overheating, putting extra stress on the heater bypass tube. Flush the system. Flushing the coolant system periodically helps remove any debris or buildup that could clog or damage the heater bypass tube. Inspect hoses and clamps. Just like the bypass tube, check other coolant hoses and clamps for wear and tear. Replace any damaged parts promptly to prevent leaks and ensure proper coolant flow. Practical tips for keeping the heater bypass tube healthy. Sometimes it's the simple habits that make a difference. Here are some practical tips to keep your heater bypass tube in top condition. Warm up your car. Before driving off, let your car warm up for a few minutes, especially in cold weather. This helps the coolant circulate properly and reduces stress on the heater bypass tube. Drive smoothly. Avoid harsh acceleration and braking, which can put extra stress on the cooling system and the heater bypass tube. Monitor dashboard indicators. Keep an eye on your car's temperature gauge and check engine light. These indicators can alert you to potential issues in the cooling system. By following these preventative maintenance tips, you'll ensure your heater bypass tube stays in good shape. Regular inspections and proper coolant system care go a long way in preventing breakdowns and costly repairs. Your car will thank you with a smoother and more reliable performance. Keeping your car's heater bypass tube in good condition is essential for your vehicle's performance and longevity. This small component plays a big role in regulating coolant flow, preventing engine overheating, and maintaining overall engine efficiency. Regularly inspecting and replacing a faulty heater bypass tube can save you from costly repairs down the road. If you notice symptoms like coolant leaks, engine overheating, or reduced heating efficiency, act quickly. Replacing the heater bypass tube involves straightforward steps. Locate the tube, drain the coolant, remove the old tube, install the new one, refill the coolant, and test the system. Each step is crucial for ensuring your engine stays cool and runs smoothly. Don't ignore potential signs of a faulty heater bypass tube. Addressing these issues promptly will keep your car running efficiently and reliably. Take action now, and your car will thank you for it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.